Hello YouTube, me and my friends are doing a group project on animal ethics. We're doing should we be allowed to clone animals? Is it right to own another species? And should animal testing be allowed?
Essentially, animal testing and animal experimentation is when a company takes an animal and they use the animal as a medium to test their project on to see the effect that their project has on a living organism. This is used for toxicology, just all types of things, cosmetology. Yeah. So basically, okay, guys. Hey, I'm here to talk to you about why animal testing is unethical. The dilemma is that when you test a project on a living organism and you try to compare that to a completely different organism with a different organic composure and makeup, then the results don't match. For example, if you try and test a product on a rat and then you get a certain set of results for that rat, and then you try and take what you learn from that rat and apply it to a human expecting the same result, many times that won't happen. And because of this, many animals undergo cruel and unusual punishments for no good reason at all. That's why I believe that animal testing is unethical.
Alright guys, I want to talk about animal testing and why it should be ethical. Animal testing provides another field of advantage for humans in order to obtain cures and release products. Let's just put it in perspective of family. You probably have, if you have a sister, she probably uses makeup. You wouldn't want your sister getting hives or allergic reactions or some rare skin disease because she used makeup that wasn't tested. Testing on animals provides another outlook on certain products that couldn't otherwise be tested. Medicine, if you don't test medicine, it could easily harm a human being. Animal testing just furthers humans in life. It overall lets humans live longer and provides safety for them. And animals during animal testing aren't harmed at all, little to almost none. And usually after the testing is done, the animal will be released back into the wild. And the habitat that it lives in when it is in captive is much better than the environment that it lives in its natural habitat, because it receives food, water, and there's no need to fear predators in the area. Thank you for looking at this video, and I hope I persuaded you in believing that animal testing is ethical.
Hey guys, many of us have pets that we love and take care of, but unfortunately, there are other people that harm and mistreat their animals. Now, I'm going to talk to you about whether or not it's ethical to own animals, but in the end, it's up to you to decide. Love you, Teddy.
Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you about why owning an animal is unethical. Basically, owning an animal, well, for one, it's a huge responsibility to take care of another life. And many people just don't understand the severity of the situation, and they fall short. But another thing is, all animals, for the most part, are born with the ability to take care of themselves in their natural environment. Now, honestly, I don't think that it's anybody's place to say that we have such dominion over them that we can take them as our pets, really. They have the capability to fend for themselves, and I think that we should just let them do just that. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you about why owning an animal is ethical. there's many reasons why it's ethical. One, they provide companionship for many humans that don't really have anyone around them. Many elderly people. I actually have a next door neighbor who is about 8 years old and lives by himself, but he has a dog, and it's just so relieving to see them outside and just they have so many strong emotions for each other. Another thing is animals provide a lot of help for humans, primarily seeing eye dogs for blind people. They help them cross streets and see things that a human couldn't see. And when they're not doing their job, they're always a playful companion. And they're always like a stress relief. Personally, I have a fish tank. When I look at the fish tank, I feel the stress leave me because it's just so. I enjoy watching them swim around and just doing their own thing. Personally, I believe that owning animals is a good thing. Just gonna talk about cloning. My friend Sean's gonna talk about the ethical and unethical side of it, but cloning is basically when you take a organism's cell, or basically DNA inside of it, and you reproduce and replicate it until a new exact replicate of the organism is formed. You may have heard of Dolly the sheep, whose cell was taken and basically reproduced over and over again until the organism was built. But many cloned species are dying off really early because of some genetic mutation or diseases, because they're exactly the same. Everything happens the same except for emotions and personality. There's many sides to cloning. It's basically cloning is not godly, or it's just not natural, while others say cloning could help cancer or AIDS research. So let Sean take.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to talk to you about why animal cloning is ethical. Well, with animal cloning, a lot of medical research can be done to improve everyone's life. This includes cancer research, AIDS research, almost any disease that you can think of can be helped with animal cloning. Also, people can have another version of their beloved pet once that original pet dies by using animal cloning to produce another copy. This way, pet owners' hearts won't be broken. Also, animal cloning helps with animal testing by allowing for confirmation of products by using cloned animals instead of a whole new breed of animals, and it will help the human race in the end, so we're all benefiting from it. Thanks. What's up, guys? I'm going to talk to you about why animal cloning might be considered unethical. Well, with animal cloning, animals are simply produced in a laboratory to be used mostly just for lab research and have no real purpose in their life. This is wrong for the animal, and the animal basically lives its life to die in pain in the name of research. This pays no attention whatsoever to whatever the animal wants. It gives no rights to the animal. This is ethically incorrect. We cannot simply waste animals in the name of research. The animal gets no say in what's done to it, and all of this is simply incorrect. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, YouTube, for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.